And based on this subcommittee report, the the committee under the District Council Affairs Department has submitted to a proposal to the Cabinet, and the proposal is as follows: that after detailed discussion with the subcommittee and with the detailed discussion with the EC of the Garo Hills District Council and understanding their needs and concerns, the state government and the Cabinet today has decided to release in advance the share of the councils in their royalty. And with this they will be able to clear certain amount of backlog, approximately 12 months, and will be able to pay salaries on time. And this advance against the share of the councils, as I said, is what has been agreed by the Cabinet today. In line with that, the EC has also agreed that once this advance against the share of the council is given to them, they will also accept the appointment of an IAS officer as Principal Secretary to the GHADC, and to overlook into the financial aspect in terms of the disbursement of the salaries, particularly of the District Council, and also to look into certain aspects of financial reforms of the Council. Also, it was agreed that the Council will be requested to open up an escrow account to manage these funds that will be the advance share of taxes of Council royalties, which will be released to the Council. The escrow account will be opened up so that it can be monitored in terms of the money that goes in should be used for disbursement of salary purpose.